Right, last month in October, I started my own Shares to Buy Today series, my own stock market investment series, where each month I carefully pick a stock that I can see being successful in the future. If you guys haven't checked out last month's video, then make sure to go down the description box below. I've left a link for you guys there to watch it. But as for now, we're talking about Shares to Buy Today in November 2020. And I, amongst others, know that it can be a struggle, guys. Finding out one successful stock amongst a bad bunch of other stocks. This is why I present this whole series in the very first place, guys. It's that you can begin to understand what I look for in a successful stock. But even better than that, you guys can start to take action from it too. But first, I need to know something. I need you guys to tell me how these videos are helping you out there. I need to know that it's adding value. And you can really do that by smashing the like button, sharing this video, and subscribe with the notification bell on as well. But with no other delay, let's talk about the Shares to Buy Today in November 2020. And the stock is called Softcat Place, guys, with the ticker symbol SCT.L. At this time of recording, they currently have a share price of roughly £12 per share. Now, I know most of you guys won't know what Softcat Place does. Heck, I didn't even know until I found out about them. But in a nutshell, they're basically an IT infrastructure provider. And straight off the bat, guys, I like what I hear. Because it means that they're probably going to be making money, even at times like now, pandemic times, where huge companies with massive amounts of employees are being forced to work at home. Regardless, they still need computers to do their daily duties. And with companies like Softcat Place, offering their IT expertise to the UK economy, I can always see a need for a company like this, which is a good thing. But let's dive in deeper into what the financials are saying on the Shares to Buy Today. I can't lie, guys. I liked what I saw. Because one thing I try and strive for with the stocks I invest in is growth. I like to see consistent increases in the revenue and the profits across the years. And this month's Shares to Buy Today, Softcat Place, they did not disappoint in that field because they've pretty much been able to do that across the years. But what I was even more impressed with, guys, was the fact that they've been able to keep their costs relatively constant. It's so much easier for a company to make more revenue, more profit from increasing their costs. You put in more to get more out. But what's harder to do, guys, is to actually keep your costs relatively constant and still make more revenue and more profit year in, year out. Now that's a bit trickier. But the thing is, Softcat Place has been doing this very comfortably across the years, which is very impressive because it shows that they're using their money as efficiently as possible. They're being smart with it, guys. And this further increases their profit margin. But let's see what the balance sheet has to say. And to no surprise, in my opinion, they have a very strong balance sheet, guys. Their short-term assets are able to easily pay the short-term liabilities. And it's a similar sort of story for their long-term assets versus the long-term liabilities too. But for me, the real sticking point is here, guys. It's their total long-term liabilities. It's only £10.5 million, which is virtually nothing. I can't lie, guys. I wouldn't be able to tell you the number of times I've sieved through stocks and seen a huge amount of money to pay for in this section right here. But for them to have only £10.5 million, for a stock of its size, this is virtually nothing. Along with the fact that they're able to easily pay for their total current liabilities too, I can only see the stock as a low risk stock, especially with the fact that they've been able to do this across the years. But the story isn't finished. Let's see what their cash flow statement is saying too. When you flick through, you can see that the net operating activities is positive, which is good because it's the very lifeblood of the company. You need to know at the end of the day, when they go about doing their daily duties, they're making a profit. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense investing in that stock in the very first place. What might be a bit of a concern though, is the fact that it's taken a dip this year compared to last year. But it's likely this is due to coronavirus. I'm also liking what I'm seeing from the net investing activities, guys. It's getting more and more negative across the years. I like the fact that this stock isn't resting on their laurels. No, they see room for improvement and are constantly striving to fulfill it. And it's a similar sort of story for the net financing activities too, because even though it's taken a bit of a dip this year compared to previous year, it's still been massively negative because it means that they're probably paying off more of their debtors and more of their investors, which creates a good look because it means that they're less reliant on other people's money and more reliant on their own money. So after all of this, what is my verdict? Well, I actually think this stock has got all the ingredients it needs to make a good long-term investment. What I will say though is that you could probably find more profitable stocks right now, but where this stock really excels is its ability to steadily grow over time. It's a classic case of the hare versus the tortoise, Who wins the race? It all depends on how long you're looking to invest for. If you're more focused on a long-term, medium-term investment like myself, then this might be a stock for you guys to look at. But that's just what I think, guys. If I was looking at these shares to buy today, soft cap play stock, then I'll still have to do more research. But from a first glance, things do seem promising. Let me know your thoughts though. Give this stock a search and let me know down in the description box below. That's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like, hit the share button too, and subscribe with the notification bell on as well. It's your favorite YouTuber, DSLearn Finance, sharing my stories and my thoughts every Sunday at 3 p.m. Above all, have a great day, people. Bye.
Whoa.